Today, we will learn about email, a method of sending and receiving messages over the internet. Let's join a classroom discussion on this topic.
Can anyone tell me what an email is?
It's a message you send using the internet.
Correct. It's abbreviated as email. Why do you think email is so popular?
Because it's fast and easy. Also, it's cheaper than using the postal service.
Exactly. Some of the most popular email providers are Yahoo, Hotmail, and Gmail. Let's see how to create a Gmail account.
I've never created one before. How do we start?
First, go to mail.google.com. Then, select Create Account. You'll need to enter your name, choose a username, create a password, confirm it, and provide your birthday, mobile phone number, gender, current email address, and location.
Then our account is ready.
Now your new Gmail account is ready to use.
Once you have an email account, you can send and receive messages, as well as attachments like graphics, images, and sound files.
What's the difference between CC and BCC?
CC stands for carbon copy. You put email addresses here if you want to send a copy of your email to others for their information. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. The email addresses in this field are not visible to other recipients.
What about reply to?
The reply to address is the address that should be used to reply to the sender. It's similar to the return address on regular mail.
Emails are a convenient way to communicate quickly and effectively, whether for personal or professional purposes. Understanding the basics can help you use this tool more efficiently.